2024 Audi e-tron future development as EVs. The 2024 Audi e-tron is the part of the company's future plan to sell electric models only, starting from 2026. Some of the company's next-gen rides would be designed as electric type only to meet the requirements of zero-emission models in some of the important markets, such as China, Europe, and USA. According to some sources, the future e-tron would be offered as electric e-tron model only. It won't be designed as a new gen, but as the e-tron successor. When arrived in the future, the electric model may be set as Audi e-tron. Welcome to Cars Jade. Subscribe this channel to watch latest 2024 car reviews here. The updated plan: VW has a plan to launch their next gen of Golf with still internal combustion unit, while Audi is going to be launched as completely electric. According to some sources, the new e-tron won't be offered as the combustion unit anymore. The launch for the future e-tron as well as a 4 has been designed as the company's plan for the future release. From 2025, the company would start offering 40% of their new models with pure electric units as they want to expand their electric lineups to exceeding 20 models. Design: the e-tron Audi would be coming with some certain elements that are inspired by A6 e-tron and Audi Sphere. The company hasn't shown any details about the upcoming production, nor showing any testing prototypes just yet. Based on the rendering images, the new 2024 Audi e-tron Electric would likely come with split headlights along with wedge-shaped positioning lights located on the top. The high beams may come in a rectangular and separate housing that is situated above the side air intakes. Although the single-frame grille isn't considered crucial, there would be 4-ring signature would dominate the EV's face. For the e-tron, there would be an octagonal piece coming with concave hexagonal inserts. There would be big aero wheels and virtual mirrors on the sides. More details are still unknown until the next development. The e-tron entry point. At the beginning of 2022, the company announced that the A1 would no longer be made, which means that the company would focus on producing more premium models. The company plans on making the e-tron as their entry point for their upcoming production. It's exciting to know that Audi is committed to electrification. Although the company still develops the combustion units, they have made a long-term commitment for electric rides.